Man, I don't know what to do. I mean, I hate the fact that every time I do something, Rusty grounds me. What should I do? I know. I am going to pretend this house is a no-talking zone. Ha 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 ha. Whoa. I didn't say I want this sign to appear out of nowhere, but that still works.
Huh? Why does it says no talking allowed in this house? People has the right to talk.
Rusty, you know the rules. No talking allowed in this house. Get out of my sight.
No. Rusty, so he thought this sign is real.
Wait a minute. Liam, you said that this sign is fake.
You didn't hear anything, Rusty.
Oh yes it is. Do you think I'm stupid? I heard you with my own ears. That's it. You're grounded for the rest of the big 2026 bed, right now.